feel bad for them. Look at the water.
Look at the sandbanks. Can you see, Matthew? Yeah. Well, they build it around their house. Hopefully they're...
Can you see it over in front of Patrick?
Oh, look at that. Oh, well, looks like they might be okay, though. But if they had a basement, they're down the road. Trying to fix the CN line.
Look way down there. There's waves breaking on that house down there. That's where we're going to go next.
Oh, yeah.
We have to see that.
Oh, so we're going to go down another road with flood waters.
Oh, they got her blocked off.
Yeah. That's just some people that live, obviously, on this road.
Yeah.
Well, they don't want you running up and down.
Right.
No, still.
It's
It's not their road.
Hey, how did the car get down there?
Because they obviously live down there. You can see their kayaks are there on the CN line.
They're protected. Stuff could float out of them houses, you know, and
Oh, yeah.
people be gathering it up on the...
For sure. We're coming down
house
tonight.
is right in front of that guy.
Yeah, good one, Dad. Good joke.
I've recovered this.
Is this
Covered
cleanup week in the river?
No, cleanup week for Rossley is May 18th. That's a driveway right there. Oh no, this is a road. We're going down here. Apparently someone just blocked off.
Whoa.
Oh, that's where CN's ripping. Look right there. That would be CN, I'd bet, ripping that up.
What?
That whole mud pit there, probably CN because
Oh man, 2 houses.
See, it's undermining the railroad track. So there's 3 houses down here that are all.
They're in the water.
That one is really bad right there.
That's somebody's house?
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's part of this guy's estate.
Oh. There's the tracks being. That's what? You like phone on public property in Canada.
Look at that. Beach house there is ruined.
Yeah. Oh, that's someone's pool right there.
Oh
Wow.
my God, Matthew, what you gotta do?
Look, are you getting that on GoPro or?
Yeah, I am, Dad. Information. That's that guy's pool right there.
Oh my gosh, that is...
How am I doing backing up after?
Good. Look, that park's all flooded out. There's put a big new building in there, the town of Ross, saying it just got flooded out. The amphitheater there, yeah, it's completely flooded out. Their bathrooms are okay though. Oh, danger water. Oh no.
Oh, they're building.
Yeah, I'll see you when I get there. This is a road, guys. Walk underneath the sidewalk. Side, yeah. Used to be a wharf out here somewheres. There, you can see where it is, the no parking signs that go out on it. That's the lighthouse, just completely destroyed. There's a kid's playground over there, completely gone.
Here, I'll take your pictures. Let's go to the water.
Yeah, one sec.
Oh my God!
The wharf is right here. So you can see there's a Rossley City sign right there where the wharf used to be. Quite a bit of garbage in the water there, I suppose.
And that.
That
The
house.
garage.
Oh, McGuire Center is underwater too.
You can get it this way.
Yeah, you can. The Milledgeville Ferry Landing. What's left of it? There's not really much of a ferry landing. Now you can see there out by the sign, there's the little shack that they use to control the sign with out
This
there.
is thinking all water go down if there's no damage, isn't it?
No, there's going to be a lot of damage when this water goes down. Look at all the garbage there. Probably off that, to be honest. That's pretty bad there. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Pretty bad what happened with the flooding, and I will see you again next week. Peace.